In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Google Sheets with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have the add-on you need installed and ready so you can start turning spreadsheet rows into calendar events without doing everything manually. I'll walk you through each click slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you may be asked to log in. Once you're in, you can either open an existing spreadsheet where you plan to manage your events or create a new blank sheet if you're just getting started. It doesn't matter which sheet you use for this setup. The important part is that you're inside Google Sheets. Now, look toward the top of the screen where you see the main menu bar. You should see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. In that row, find the option labeled Extensions. Click on Extensions to open a drop-down menu. This is where Google Sheets lets you manage extra tools that expand what your spreadsheet can do. Within the Extensions menu, move your mouse to the section called Add-ons. Another small menu will appear next to it. Here is where you can manage existing add-ons or install new ones. Go ahead and click on the option that says Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a new panel or tab, depending on your browser. The Google Workspace Marketplace is essentially an app store for Google tools, where you can find integrations that connect Sheets with other services, like Calendar. At the top of this Marketplace window, you'll see a search bar. Click inside the search bar and type Calendar Events Creator. Then press enter or click the search icon to run the search. You should now see a list of results related to your search. Look for the add-on named Calendar Events Creator. Its name should clearly mention creating calendar events from Sheets data, which is exactly what you want. Click on the add-ons card to open its details page. Here you can read a brief description, see screenshots, and review the permissions it needs to work properly. When you're ready to install, look for the Install button, usually located near the top of the add-on details window. Click Install. A confirmation box will pop up explaining what access the add-on requires. Take a moment to read through the permissions because the tool will need access to your Google Sheets and your Google Calendar to create events on your behalf. If you're comfortable with that, click Continue. You may be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. Select your account, then follow any additional on-screen prompts to grant access. This might include scrolling through a list of requested permissions and clicking Allow. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. After that, you can close the Marketplace window and return to your spreadsheet. The new add-on will now appear under the Extensions menu, usually under a section with its name, Calendar Events Creator. From there, you'll be able to open it and start connecting your sheet data with Google Calendar Events. That's all you need to integrate Google Sheets with Google Calendar using the Calendar Events Creator add-on. Once it's installed, you're ready to configure it and automate your event creation directly from your spreadsheets.